We don't need a man here.
Yeah.
I'm the handyman of the house.
He pounded it with a hammer.
I just don't want to hit the toilet.
I know, that's what I was afraid of.
I don't know if it's supposed to stop spinning eventually. I feel like I'm not getting anywhere.
That's how I felt when I was trying to Oh no! I have always wanted a bidet, and I finally got one. If you don't know, a bidet is a toilet seat, basically, that sprays water after you use the restroom, so you don't have to use toilet paper. And in today's video, I am going to show you the one I've got and walk through the installation. I've heard it's really easy to install one of these. I was afraid when I first heard of them that it would be really difficult, but everybody that I talked to said, no, they're actually very simple. But we're gonna actually do it on camera. Stay tuned for the installation of the Sanyipace bidet. First, let's unbox this and see what's included. It looks like it comes with a remote control even. Remote control by your toilet. I believe this is also supposed to have a night light to it. You won't miss your toilet seat. So, looks like we have the toilet seat here. A bag of hardware. Here's the remote control, water filter, okay, instructions, batteries, so everything we need to hook this up, a power cord. Now this was my only worry, is that you have to have it plugged where there's outlet next to your toilet so you can plug this in. I do have 2 bathrooms in my house. I have one upstairs, and that toilet actually has an outlet by the sink, which is actually next to the toilet, but I don't use that bathroom that much. So my next bathroom, the downstairs bathroom, that outlet is directly across from the toilet. So I'm gonna have electric, I think, from the basement up. Not really run electric, but like drill a hole and pull it up so I can put an outlet over next to the toilet. Otherwise, we're just gonna be running this across the ceiling. So I have a couple of different options, and I'd really like it downstairs. So for today, to install it and see how easy it is, I'm gonna go ahead and just install it in my downstairs bathroom and run the electric from down into the basement later. We have the toilet seat. This is awesome because honestly, I've been wanting a new toilet seat. And then to actually get a bidet is like, oh, heck yes. So the story behind me wanting a bidet, I used to work with this guy who come in one day just gloating about a new bidet he had gotten. And I, at that time, had kind of heard of them, but I didn't really know exactly what they were. And I thought mostly only rich people had them, so I just kind of crossed it off. But he's telling me, oh no, he's like, they're really not all that expensive. And my next thing I said was, well, it sounds like it would probably be really difficult to install, and I don't want to get into that. He said, no, actually, it was really easy to install. He said, you just take the cord, run it to your water on the bottom of your toilet, and then install the toilet seat, and there you go. That man just gloated about this thing and how wonderful it was, and how he really, really liked it. So he would say they'd go in the bathroom and just spend hours in the bathroom, you know, have a party with people over and tell his friends about it. And his friends would be like, oh, that's stupid. And this and that. But he said they'd go in the bathroom and they wouldn't come out for a while. So I am definitely excited to test this out. I am going to have everything linked in the description box for you. So if you want to check one of these out yourselves, then check them out. I'm going to have a couple friends helping me to install this today. The first step, according to the book, is to put on this toilet seat. So I need to take this toilet seat off and replace it with the bidet. I believe that this is the piece that is going to hold the toilet seat on, which I like because it's going to be a little bit more stable than the holder that's holding my current toilet seat. I've been trying for 2 days to get this old toilet seat off. Let me teach you something. If nobody has ever removed a toilet seat before, like me, I sat trying to unscrew those 2 holes right there with their little plastic covering for hours and couldn't figure out why in the heck they were not coming off. And then I realized that underneath my toilet here, which clearly looks disgusting, and I thought I cleaned it, a little nut almost that you had to unscrew to release the screw so I could get those ones out and remove the toilet seat. 2 days it took me to figure that out by myself. Next, I've got to install this, and I first have to put these, I hope they're gonna fit. Oh yeah, they go in there.
We don't need a man here.
Yeah.
I'm the handyman of the house.
There it goes.
Got it. Okay.
All right, metal plates.
That will go right there. We have to turn your water off?
Well, unless we want toilet water spraying us.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Make life easy.
Okay.
For the fragrance tablet.
Drop that right in there. Okay.
Slide and click.
Okay.
Okay. So after we got that apart, we put on the 3-way switch, connected the water filter, and ran the hose right here into the bidet. We're going to plug it in and see what it does. Oh my God, is it heating the water? Water to 104? Oh my God. It has an automatic lid. There's a sensor on there. That scared the bejesus out of me. How cool is this? Okay, my toilet seat is warm. I have a heated freaking toilet seat now. I'm seated on it. Apparently it won't work properly unless you're sitting down, which is probably a good thing. So I am just going to play with this remote. I have it in my hand here. I can do hip cleansing, female cleansing, drying, auto cleansing. Let's just go with auto cleaning. We're going to do an auto clean. Nothing's happening. I hear it. Whoa! Oh! Oh, that water is warm. Ooh. All right. It's spraying my bungholio right now. Female cleansing moving. Oh! Oh, yeah. That one went right in there. All right. That one got me. It's getting warm. That's getting warm. You can also use the control on the side. You don't have to use the remote. There is a little dial on the side that you can use. And this thing just goes and goes. Apparently under auto cleaning. It's doing a thorough job to adjust my whoa, my position a little. Whoa. I think it is doing the old oscillating. I've got to get familiar with all these functions. Ooh, it's moving up. Ooh, it's moving up. You can also adjust how you're sitting on the toilet, get different angles. Kermit on here to see if he's got enough weight to him to activate the sensor so this works properly, and I can test out the air and the cleaning with a little bit of almond butter on this piece of plastic. This is just a makeup cover. Let's see if I can get it to work without blowing Kermit off the pot. I don't think Kermit has enough weight. Oh, hell. I had to take Kermit off, but here is the plastic. Let's see if we can see how much force the dryer has. All right, Kermit and my makeup bag just do not weigh enough to get the dryer to work. I've got him sitting on there. I'm pressing the dryer button, and he clearly doesn't have enough weight, even with my makeup bag, to let that dryer run. I think it's a pretty good feature, though. This thing just gives you the full-on experience. You get the wash and the blow dry and everything. I am loving it. If you are in the market or been thinking about a bidet, I would highly recommend this one. This smart bidet by Sanyipace is the one that you want for sure. This does it all. And I don't think you're going to beat it. I don't even need to try another one. And I'm not just saying that. This is cool. So, hey, party at my house so you can play with the toilet. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And who knows, we might have a party in the bathroom. Guys, thanks for watching.